everyone, and welcome to another STEAM Saturday. My name is Brianna, and I'm the Children's Librarian here at the Community Library of DeWitt in Jamesville. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper glider. All you're going to need for this is an index card and a straw. We will have kits available during our patio pickup hours to make this project at home starting Saturday, March 13th. Let's get started. First step is to take your ruler and index card, and on the short side of the index card you want to measure 1 inch and then another. This will divide your index card into 3 equal strips. So we're going to take our scissors and cut the strips. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to tape 2 of them together. And if you're doing this at home with something other than index cards, it doesn't have to be this exact length, but you do want one strip to be about half the size of the other strip. Then we're going to create our hoop. First our larger one, and then our smaller hoop. The last step is we're going to tape each hoop to either side of our paper straw. When you do this, you want to make sure that the straw is on the inside of the hoop rather than the outside. And we want each hoop to be about equal with each other, like that. And there you have it. We made our first paper glider. Let's see how far it can go. Now that you've made your plane and you've tested it out a few times, the next step is to experiment. So instead of flying it front to back, maybe we can turn it around and see if it flies backwards. We could cut the straw in half and make the plane smaller, or we can tape 2 together and make it bigger. You can also experiment with the size of the hoops and the weight of the paper. The point is to get creative, and as you experiment and change things, take notes along the way about how each change you make affects the flight of your plane. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Hopefully we see you at our next STEAM Saturday.